In the heart of a small artisanal factory, a fascinating process transforms natural ingredients into fragrant bars of soap. Follow each step of this careful production. Music. It all begins with the arrival of raw materials. High-quality vegetable oils such as coconut oil, olive oil, and shea butter are stored in stainless steel containers. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its purity and sustainable origin. In the preparation area, the oils are weighed with millimetric precision. A digital scale ensures that each batch has exactly the same proportions. Room temperature is controlled to maintain ingredient consistency. Music. The saponification process is where the real magic happens. The oils are slowly heated until they reach 60 degrees Celsius. This process takes approximately 40 minutes. Music. During the fragrance addition stage, natural essential oils are incorporated into the mass. Lavender, eucalyptus, and orange are the most popular essences. Natural colorants, extracted from plants and minerals, give color to the bars. The mass is then poured into silicone molds. Each mold holds 12 perfectly uniform bars. The molds are gently tapped on the table to eliminate trapped air bubbles. Music. The curing period is essential for final quality. The soaps rest for 24 hours in the molds. After unmolding, the bars are arranged on wooden shelves. Music. On the finishing line, the bars receive their final touches. A cutting machine trims the irregular edges. A custom stamp marks the factory's logo on each piece. Quality control checks weight, texture, and aroma. Finally, we reach packaging. Each soap is wrapped in recycled craft paper. An artisanal label lists the ingredients and manufacturing date. The bars are placed